Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and welcome to day 3 of the 10-day paperclip ring making challenge. We're going to start by opening up the paperclip. This is a standard size paperclip, 28 millimeter size, and we're going to slowly open it up with our flat pliers. Go very slowly around the curve so it doesn't get kinked up. If you don't have a paperclip, you can use 3 3/4 inches of half hard wire in 20 gauge, or if your wire is softer, you can use 18 gauge. So straighten out the paperclip, and if you want to do it by hand without your tools, just push on the little rounded areas with your thumb to straighten them out. So like I said, go slowly with it. Just go around the curves very slowly to straighten out that whole paper clip. And then flip it around and do the rest of it, pushing the curve with your thumb and your finger. So for the heart ring, we are going to find the center of the paper clip, and we're just going to take our round pliers and we want to bend it up in the center. Give it a good little sharp bend, and that will be the center of the heart. So just keep pushing on it until you've got a nice little crease there. And then we're going to get some larger round nose pliers, and we're going to turn the wire around to form the top of the heart. So just bring it right around, and then on the other side we're going to bring it right around to form the heart shape. So once you have that heart shape, you can do any other little adjustments. If you need to go in with your smaller round pliers, you can adjust it so it's more or less symmetrical. And then we're going to take the end and just bend it out. And we'll do the same on the other side because we want the heart to sit quite flat. So we're just going to bend the bottom out on either side. And the paper clip is really stiff, so it's going to hold its shape quite well. You could pinch in those ends so they're beside each other to close up the heart. So now we see the shape really well. You can hold it with the flat pliers and adjust the wires straight out. Put it on the ring mandrel and bring the ends around to the back of the mandrel to form the band. And the same on the other side. We're just going to bring it right around to the back. And then we could remove it from the mandrel. And I always like to finish off those ends. So I'm going to go in with my smaller round nose pliers and twist the end around to close up that loop. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. Just flip it around and turn the wire around to form a closed loop. And from there, we're just going to push the wire closed like that. So that now that we have that one finished, we're just going to push it together a little bit to make sure it's the right size. You can put it back on the mandrel and squeeze it in a little more. You could hammer it a bit if you wanted to, but this should hold its shape quite well. And then now we're going to just turn it around, and you'll see it makes a beautiful little heart ring. I have another 10-day paperclip challenge that I'm going to link up in the description below, and all kinds of other resources of where you can find materials, wire, beads, tools, and templates and tutorials in my Etsy DIY shop. So thanks again for watching. Have fun with the paperclip rings, and we'll see you the next time.